What is the average cost of tree removal in Crown Point, Indiana? Based on recent local pricing guides, a typical tree removal in Crown Point runs somewhere around about $250 to $550 per tree for standard jobs, depending on size and access. Smaller trees tend toward the lower end, while large or tricky ones cost more. Other surveys show average tree service removal in the area falling roughly around $600 to $800 per tree when factoring labor, equipment, and cleanup. Keep in mind, bigger trees, difficult locations near power lines or buildings, and extra services like stump grinding all add to the price. Got questions or ready to plan? Contact at the Region's Tree Service. Address 9834 Grant Place, Crown Point. In 46307, United States. Phone number 219-323-5466. Website theregionsTreeService.com. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for spending your time with us.